This Valentine's Day, share the gift of wellness with our exclusive Valentine's Day offers. Shed the weight with the Love Your Body bundle. It's medical weight loss made easy. Choose between 1 vial semaglutide and 10 milliliters MIC B12 Lipo for $399 or 1 vial tirzepatide and 10 milliliters MIC B12 Lipo for $599. Our Valentine's Vitality Bundle will reignite passion and boost performance. We offer 3 pulse waves, O-Shot, and PT 141 for $2,000, or 6 pulse waves, P-Shot, and PT 141 for $2,500. Revive, Rejuvenate, Radiate with the Female Renewal Bundle. Feel confident and refreshed with 3 Viora treatments, internal or external, and 30 units Botox for $1,800. The Love Potion Bundle will satisfy all your intimacy needs. Enhance your passion with PT 141 injection or nasal spray, 30 CT oxytocin troches or nasal spray, and 30 CT Tadalafil for $1,100. Looking to add something special? Add a 5 milliliters quad mix or tray mix for him, or a pleasure enhancer for her for $399. Limited spots available. Offers valid from February 3rd to 14th. Book yours now. Call 844-334-1335 or visit agerejuvenation.com.